It's a paradox. You think it should be this when I'm telling you it's not that, it's this. It's literally going in there trying not to make money. Read price. Try to know where price is going to go, why it should go there from a higher time frame perspective, and submit to that idea all week long. Think about it. I've been trading a live account, folks. It's not demo, it's live. And I tell you where I thought the market was going to go and what the bias should be, and I only execute in that direction. I've done so to show you that even though it might go up 200 handles for the day, and you really, if you ain't in that first part of the move, you've missed 90% of it. I can fade that and stick with my bias. Oh, wow. So what you're saying, ICT, is do the work in trying to find and determine where the bias is. Stick to trading with that model. Accept the fact that if I'm wrong or you're wrong and you get stopped out, it's part of it. But you can still find profitable trades even in up close days going short. That might happen unplanned. You don't see it coming. And that's all part of your learning curve. But over time, what's going to happen is you will get yourself aligned with the larger, higher time frame order flow, weekly and daily and 4 hour. If you trade in that direction, where is the market likely to draw to next? Where's the liquidity? Where is the inefficiencies? If you think about price like that, from weekly, daily, 4 hour, do most of your work on those charts. Spend most of your time in those 3 time frames. If you filter out the trades in those directions for where the next imbalance is or liquidity, and then you use these 1 to 5 minute or less time frames within the 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, or 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, the respective AM session, PM session, and London session, your silver bullets are easy. They're easy, folks. You're wrestling with all this other shit. You're trying to bring everything in to a discussion. Like, you can't form fit everything I've ever taught and pushing in every single fractal and price action. Every little portion of price movement, you're trying to take everything I've ever said about price and finding it in that one fractal. When it is what it should be is that you're taking a model, a run on liquidity, a displacement, a retracement back in to inefficiency with a lower level objective for sell side, while the 4 hour or the daily or the weekly, preferably all 3 are in agreement that there's something that's going to be reached for on the lower side. That, my friends, is a lead pipe cinch trade. That means you're going to walk in there like you're holding a lead pipe and you're going to bash this motherfucker upside its head, and it's going to pay out, and you're going to be able to shake it down, and you're going to go on your merry way. And you're not going to feel any pain. It's going to be a low resistance liquidity run. It's going to be quick. It's going to run right to your target. It's going to have very little drawdown. It's going to fuck around. It's not going to meander around. It's not going to consolidate. It's going to go right to your shit and be done. That's the type of setup you're looking for once a week. That's the shit that gets you out of work. That's your fuck you money. That's the thing that changes the entire trajectory of your life, and nobody can do shit to piss in your cornflakes because you can tell them to go fuck themselves, and there ain't nothing they can do, say, or anything to change it. Every week, every day, and it won't fucking stop. That's where I'm taking you. That's the direction I'm pointing to. That's what you're trying to do by learning all this stuff. Not, I want to trade the fucking Reaper. I want to trade the silver bullet on this. I want to trade the optimal trade entry on that. And I want to do this. And I want to what the fuck? I have all that stuff, yes. But every day when I sit down, I want to go in and find a specific setup. Now, if I see something that jumps off at the time, oh yeah, I'll take that. Why wouldn't I? If you walk down the street and you have $100 bill on the sidewalk, you're going to pick it up? You're going to say, fuck that, I ain't picking that up. I'll let somebody else get that. That's trash. But I'm going out there on a specific day with the intention that my one specific model I want to wait for, I know it's going to be there. See, you don't know that. You don't know them intimately enough. You haven't spent enough time with it.